Hello and welcome MPC students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the class schedule in My MPC. Now, the class schedule in My MPC can be accessed in two ways. If you are not yet an MPC student, you can still access the class schedule by visiting the main campus webpage. If you are already an MPC student and have a Lobo Apps account, you can log into Lobo Apps and click on the My MPC tile. However, I want to show you the website option first. If you navigate to www.mpc.edu, you'll be taken to the Monterey Peninsula College website. From there, you can hover over the Academics tab and then click on the Catalogs and Class Schedules option. This will be the up-to-date list of class schedules at MPC. From here, though, we'll click on the Summer 2025 Classes button. Once here, you're in the Registration Self-Portal, you can go ahead and click on Browse Classes. From there, it'll ask you what term you want to search for. I'll select Summer 2025, and then I'll click Continue. And here we are at the Enter Your Search Criteria option. Now I'll show you how to access if you already have a Lobo Apps account. From Lobo Apps, you'll click on the My MPC tile, and then you'll select the Schedule of Classes tile and then click View Class Schedule. Again, we'll be asked to select what term we want. We'll select Summer 2025, we'll click Continue, and here we are at the Enter Your Search Criteria again for the term Summer 2025. Now to use the search function, you can just click Search, and this will take you to the entire list of courses for the Summer 2025 term. To start a new search, you can click Search again. And what I want to show you next is how to use each of these fields to narrow down your search. So, you can click in the Subjects box, and it will load all the subjects that are going to be offered for Summer 2025. And you can select multiple, like Administration of Justice. You can click in here again, scroll down, and we can select Business. You can also just start typing in a word, and the subject will appear. So if I start to type the word Math, you'll see Mathematics will appear. You can also search by keyword, course registration number, and another aspect that's really cool is you can click in the Select Gen Ed or Attributes box to choose whether the class is zero textbook cost or either of these general education attributes or categories and search that way. And finally, there's the class type. If you click in class type, you can choose to search for face-to-face classes, hybrid classes, or online classes, and you can select multiple. In this instance, I'll select face-to-face, and then I can type in the word hybrid or just click in here and select that option. Whenever I'm ready, I can click search, and this will present to me all of the classes from Administration of Justice, Business, and Mathematics that are offered face-to-face and hybrid for the Summer 2025 term. Now that you're here at the list of classes that met your search criteria, you always want to check when you scroll down if there's other pages that you can check. In this particular instance, these are all the classes that meet my search criteria. And if you're interested in a course, you can click on the title of the course to see more details. These details will include course descriptions, objectives, general requirements, technology requirements, and required materials. Please don't skip this step as there's a lot of critical information contained here. Whenever you're done, you can click Close, and if you want to start a new search, be sure to click the Search Again option. Okay, I hope that video was helpful. Take care.